Welcome to another Get in the Know moment with Joe. I'm Joe, and today I want to talk about dads and spending time with kids. Hit that like and subscribe, that bell icon. That way you can catch all my future content and you can check out what I've done in the past. So, men who spend time with their children, that's being a dad. Because any guy can be a father. It takes a real man to be a dad. That's why I started doing a work from home. I started doing affiliate marketing. The link is in the description under opportunity. You can check that out. With it, I'm able to have time for my children. I can go to their activities. I can see them. I can do what I need to do. Not always are guys with the mother of their children. And if they're not, they're trying to make money and trying to figure out how they can spend time with their children. Working from home and working on your own terms, that'll definitely help with that. Again, check out that link name offers in the description. And if you like what you got out of this, hit that like and subscribe button. You can always leave me a comment. In the description, there are links to the many different social media sites that I'm on. You can always check it out. Join me as a friend or a follower. And as always, get in the know with Joe.